Hello, good afternoon. Welcome. This is Neco year 2019 English Objective Past Question. Question number 78. And to this question, the instruction here says fill each numbered gap with the most appropriate of the options. This instruction is to answer question from 71 to 100. And the statement is say although the accused could be dash, and we say here because we've answered, we say it could be the accused could be bailed on one was available to do that for him, that is on the condition that there is somebody that will do that for him. Thus he was dash: a confined, b consecrated, C imprisoned, D incarcerated, D remanded. When we talk of confirm, it is something that has to do, that is to narrow, that is, it is a narrow stuff. Then when we talk of constrict, it means to limit. Then C in prison means to lock locked up. Then incarcerate means to lock away. Then reminded means to send accused to cell or in prison. So thus he was remanded, that is, it will still be in that cell if there is nobody to stand for him. So option E is correct. So we cannot say although the accused could be bailed, no one was available to do that for him, thus he was reminded. So if there's nobody to do that for him, to bail him, he will remain in the custody of the police officer. So option E is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.